up, y'all? Tuning in to another video. Y'all see, I'm getting in the old Camaro, man. I gotta come up with a name for this car. ASAP. But I drive this car once a week. I don't post a video every time I drive, but if you're on my Facebook, then you probably see a lot. So why you need to go slide over to my Facebook or my personal page. I'm very active on there too, unlike a lot of people. But I'm very active on Facebook. In the Camaro, about to go gas up. And I got some packages coming today. Well, I'm pretty sure y'all saw the thumbnail, but that's why I'm smiling. I got some packages coming. I got some packages coming today. Man, it's a good day. It's an amazing day. So yeah, I'm about to get this thing fired up, man. I can keep y'all long while fired up, prying the system. Real street car. About to drive 40 miles. There we go. About to drive 40 miles. Going to the gym. Ain't nobody even noticed, man. Y'all ain't even put in the comments, man. Look, it wasn't slimming down, man. I knocked off a lot. Y'all probably don't kill, but I lost 67 pounds in like 101 days or something like that. I know this diet stuff too. I really do. Jack of all trades. So yeah, I'm about to go to the gym, do what it do. Y'all saw the thumbnail, so y'all see the packages. And let's get it. What up, y'all? Left the gym. I went to the grocery store, man. I got grocery and everything. Look, man, real street car. That's all I can say. I'm ready to get back, see if the FedEx truck that came. Like I said, I got some packages coming. Ready to show y'all what I got so far and who it came from and all that. I can't remember if I already said it in the earlier in the vlog or whatever. But yeah, we about to start bolting some stuff on to the Camaro. It's about to be go time. About to do little stuff, and I got some more stuff coming too. And I got another announcement to make too. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on this vlog or not, but yeah, it's a lot of good things happening. I'll just say that. So yeah, man, I'm on the interstate, running about 63, 64 miles per hour, headed back to the house, and hopefully I see some boxes. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright. Might well do a little highway pull. Get up there past that truck real fast. Woo! 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 Boy. That's how you do it, man. You just roll through the trap like that. You don't even hit no brakes. You just roll through the trap. Woo! No, we hit 100 miles per hour then, boy. We rolling. Love that car, man. Ain't nothing like a street car. And let them RPM go back down, then we get back to the speed limit. Woo! Boy. You got to be in it. You got to be in it to know the feeling, man. It ain't no other feeling than riding in a hot rod. Look at that temperature. Temperature don't move, baby. It don't move, man. It's an ultimate street car. It's a bad machine right here, man. Bad piece of machinery. But yeah, let's get back to the house, then we're gonna see them packages back. Y'all see it? It's back. Just got back, and boom. Yes, indeed. Motion Race Works. Open that box. Y'all can see what's in it. And I'm gonna take it up to the office, then we're gonna open it. So we're gonna check back in. So I'm back. And y'all disregard if you hear my kids in the back. They going ham, having a good time and all that. As always. But yes, you see it. Motion Raceworks. Shout out to Doug Cook and the guys at Motion Raceworks. Got this package I've been waiting on, man. So let's go ahead and bust it open. Show y'all what I got. Should be one part in here and some merch, if I remember right. I don't want to damage nothing. I'm trying to, hold on, man. I'm trying to pull it and slice and dice same time. The knife pretty fine too, y'all. I guess I'm getting older, man. They say when you get older, you start carrying knives. I ain't that old. I'm still young now. I ain't hit my 40s yet. But they say when you get older, you start carrying knives. But hey, I don't know if they're true or not. But anyway, look, let me see what we got. See what we got. Boy, I've been waiting. I ain't think all this stuff fit in this box. But I guess so. Boom. Yes, sir. I need this. We got some nice hats. Man, Doug be hooking up, man. Y'all about to start seeing this in the videos. We got the black. Y'all know that y'all don't know. You probably ain't know. They're my favorite color. Look. Hey, Doug on point, man. I believe they know about the merch. Look, all them matches the merch, and y'all need to go get that too. Them J Malcolm shirts. We got the blue. We got the red, just like my shirts. I got a red J Malcolm shirt, a blue J Malcolm shirt, and we got the black. Okay, which y'all probably gonna see me with the black on most of the time, cause they're just my color. And man, look, he done hooked it up, man. We got the cup holders. Motion Raceworks. It's still nice. Made in the USA. So, hey, look, there you go. Go to that site. The link's in the description. The link's in the description of all the videos. All the videos. Y'all don't know. We done partnered up. Newest partner. I made the announcement, though. But, yeah, make sure. Go to their website. They link in the description, man. They do some of everything. They make some of the best parts. I know y'all see them. See them on all them cars too. What? Hey, look. I know about this. Just call my bro John Doc, man. And shout out to John Doc on YouTube. Y'all make sure go subscribe to John Doc. That's my guy, man. Shout out to Built by Ben, all them guys. West. Shout out to all of them. I know about these from watching his videos, man. I knew they were gonna send them gushers. So look, I'm about to enjoy these. Now I can't. Doug, you trying to mess me up, man. I'm on my diet. I can't right now, but when I do, I'm gonna make sure y'all see that on camera. So we got the gushers, and yeah, man. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying to get. I know everybody probably looking at all this, but yeah, we gonna we got some of everything, boy. It's gonna be. Hey, I want to see these shirts. Y'all about to start seeing me rock all this Motion Raceworks merch in the videos. I'm gonna support who support me. Oh, I like that. Now that's fine. Y'all know, y'all see me out anyway. I don't wear nothing but racing shirts. I don't wear nothing but. See that's hard. Now that's gangster right there. That's hard. So yeah, let me see. Hey man, I gotta send them a care package. I told them I'm gonna send them some J Malcolm shirts. I gotta get them in the mail and hook them up. These my guys, man, yeah. Got the Motion logo. Oh, this hard. Side print shirt. Yeah, boy. I'm finna be Motion Raceworks down. Yes, indeed. There go the site again. There's a sign. When you see stuff multiple times, that mean you need to make a move. This goes for life. You need to make a move. Oh, I love this one. Yes, indeed. Yeah, boy, we got the snail on the shirt. I love that. Man, I need to step my merch designs up. These folks coming like this. Yeah, this fine, I think. This my favorite shirt. Right here. For real. That's hard. So, We got the merch. We got the banner. Yep. This going on the Camaro. It's definitely going on the Camaro. Cause when you got folk that support you, you support them to the fullest. I firmly believe that. And y'all gonna see Motion Race Works on everything. Seriously, man. And y'all know how I roll. If I believe in them, I'm gonna support and promote the mess out of them. So look, if you need parts for your car, they sell everything. Seriously, go over to their website. A lot of y'all might already be familiar, but to my guys, I know a lot of y'all done contacted me building these bad street cars and stuff, turbo stuff and all that. Just anything. Slide over to Motion Race Works. Get you what you need. Fast shipping, delivery, excellent service. I'm serious. Slide over to Motion. They're going on Camaro. It's windshield banner. It will go on Camaro. So when I'm out there at the track doing my thing, and there's some more cameras on me, y'all gonna see that motion. It's on the right. So yeah. Okay, now I know a lot of y'all looking at this, cause y'all like, some people might be thinking, what is this? This is not a nitrous kit. It's not a nitrous kit. Everybody know that. But this is a CO2 kit. I need this. Bad. It's a CO2 kit. So we got the nice brackets. Yeah, man. Yeah, Doug, and all them guys over there, man. They done outdid themselves. Oh, we got some decals too. I'm finna be Motion Race Works all over. For real. It's going on there too. Yes, sir. Everybody that support me gonna be on the car. You can believe that, but yeah. These are brackets. I've been needing this CO2 kit. Let me see what we got in here. Oh, okay, hardware. Yeah, man. It's the valve. No, not the valve. I'm tripping. The gauge, I meant. But yeah, CO2 kit. Got a nice motion sticker on there. Gotta see where it come from. One of the best, if not the best. I'm gonna go out on the limb and say the best CO2 kit. That's why it had to be Motion. But yeah, this is what we got. CO2 kit from Motion. Gonna get this put on the car ASAP. People probably wondering what the CO2 do. Well, basically, well, let me turn the camera around, cause I'm probably finna close the video out. I want y'all to see what I got. I'm ready to go out there and get this put on the car and put this on the front windshield. Cause yeah, Doug looked out. Appreciate you, Doug. James, all the guys at Motion, thumbs up. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know we finna do big things together. So let me turn the camera around, explain what this is.